Top surgeries are just an amazing procedure. We do a lot of top surgery here, removal of the breast for our transmasculine patients with a placement of a free nipple graft in a way such that we make the chest look quite masculine. The procedure, typically I have some very large breasted patients. The procedure is dramatic. Several hours later, the patient wakes up and sees a picture of them with basically a male torso that they didn't have hours ago. We all have a big cry in the back about the dramatic change that has occurred. These patients have been not going out, not going to the gym, wrapping their chest in all of these kinds of garments for years to try and pass as masculine in society. And all of a sudden, all that is just gone, and the patient is who they want to be instantaneously. It's really amazing. We get into the psychology very deeply with the patients, starting from day one and continuing for years after. We're still working with most of our patients we talk to on a regular basis. From the beginning, it's a lot of talk about what makes you unhappy with yourself, what parts don't you want anymore, what parts bring you distress to your life and dysphoria. And after we have changed the parts around, it's how to use those parts and how to use them so that they stay functional and they stay wonderful and people can enjoy them and they can enjoy them with their partners. This is a new body that the patient has, and so we have to get pretty close and personal with them.
There's just like a transition that happens from a functional aspect into an actual body part now. Before it was this hindrance, and now it becomes a sexual organ once again. Before it's very medical. It's, remove this part that I don't want, and later on it becomes, these are my private parts for the first time ever. So a lot of them start going through these steps of childhood and adolescence again, even though a lot of, the times they're in the 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s when they see us. Now they're enjoying sex, now they're enjoying being a parent, and noticing for the first time when they go to the beach that they took their shirt off or didn't, or wearing bikinis or whatever they're doing, and it's just kind of realizing that they're building these memories again for the first time as what they were meant to be from the get-go. So it's very special to hear these stories again and again and again of how they're just enjoying life for the first time, or just really seeing it from a different lens. For us, it was a given, not being transgender ourselves. Like, my identity as a man is who I am. It's always been who I am, so I don't question that. Obviously, I'm a gay man. My sexuality is different from my gender identity. But it's very interesting to see that and acknowledge that this is such an occurrence and that we can help people.